morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie. And yeah, let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. SPY is tumbling down, like compared to what it was doing yesterday. We are already at that midpoint, which is 561. And yeah, let's see what the market has to offer today. Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing great. We
Nice.
got nice sun. We don't have freezing.
No freezing
Slept
rain.
well. Yeah, doing very well this morning. And how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing very good. I sleep very well, and yeah, it definitely pays off. I do feel the energy. I do feel in a very good mood. So let's do good for that. So yeah, everything good here, and yeah, as you say, very nice weather. Very nice to be in the front and be able to see the
Right?
grass. Like it's not totally there. There is a little bit of ice yet, but we
So
can
nice.
see about
Yeah,
40%
I
of it.
spent a lot of time outside yesterday cleaning up a little bit, and it was so nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you still have a lot of ice, right? Because of the
Oh, in the
rain.
back for sure. But in the front, they were trimming our big maples, and there was a lot of branch they left away, so cleaned that up, and yeah, it was a lot of fun to be out there. So I can't wait.
Nice,
The garden.
nice. So yeah,
Wow,
yeah, like
Let's talk spy.
I'm gonna have a little talk here about SPY just because I think it's relevant. And like this is a daily chart, but let's say we go even like something like 15 minutes or even 30 minutes. So we can say that we are still trending up from this peak here. Like let's say maybe something like that. I don't know. I don't want to be too picky about it, but like basically what my concern and like what I want to talk or mention is that uh, yesterday J. Powell was talking about interest decision rate, interest rate decision, and tariff, like inflation, all those things. And I didn't listen to the whole thing, but the way I perceived it was that more neutral. Like I mean, he's not wanting to say anything that will tumble down the economy or
Yeah,
anything
non-committal.
like in either side because he's not fueling up. Like yes, he say at some point that the economy is strong, we can keep the policy for a little bit longer or for longer without having to change anything. But all that is and he said this too, is like the uncertainty is definitely there. But basically like any person that will be responsible for the economy, you don't want to fuel any big selling or big panic. So
Yeah, and there was no change in the interest rate.
yeah,
right?
and there was no
Let's
change,
make-
and
let's-
we're gonna
let's
get
say
way
that.
they're gonna get way less changes than previously. I think they were aiming for something like 1.5 in the whole year, and now it's just 0.75. So it cut like half. Like it was going to be 8 cuts, now it's only 5. So yeah, basically that's it. So, but what I'm saying here, what do we normally have when the Fed talk? Like what happened normally? Like well, we have a big day that established normally level of support or level of resistance. And yesterday, if you see, SPY went to 571, pretty much by the penny, and like then it went down. And like, what is my concern here? Well, like that was a previous stop, so we didn't break through. We went there like by miracle. Like it's very ugly wick on the 30 minute. But when we go in the daily, that's just the top of the range. So we didn't really break through. So if we break that trend line toward the downside, I think we're gonna be able to see 550 again. Of course, like we can keep 560 as the mid-range point and say like probably it's gonna hold around for a couple of days as we kind of didn't really have any bad news. But anywhere on top of this, like about maybe 570, 567, I will be definitely favoring shorts because I think we are not breaking with confidence. Like even especially J. Paul talk and all this thing about tariff. Like we really didn't Like I found it kind of mute the move.
Mm-hmm.
Like yes, like Nvidia
It was
went
strong.
Nvidia went to 120 again, but what it did, he just
It
gave
just
everything
came
away.
back,
Like
yeah.
it closed very close to 117.50. So what
So
that means?
it kept half, but what I'm surprised that it's over the half now, right? It's about 564.
Yeah, SPY, yeah, for sure. But like, but that's what I mean. Like it's like that. The fact that we are pretty much where we were yesterday or close to is saying like this market is still not confident about anything. So I mean, I'm gonna be very nimble as I can, as possible as I can, as nimble as I can. But yeah, let's see. Uh, yeah, that's everything I have to say for SPY. Now, if you want to add anything, or if you want us to look at the levels, like I follow you. So
Well, what we see right, oops. I want to lower that, sorry. There we go. So what I really want to look at is when we're looking at the levels, 116, no, that was a video, sorry about that, people. Oops. I went around already, So the pullback this morning happened at 562.54. So when we're looking at 562.54, there's actually a stack that should be entering very, very close. The stack starts at 563.40 and it's almost there now. And then it ends at 562.06. So then we've got another, that's the biggest. The biggest lot is 89 at 563. So 563 seems to be important. And that pretty much sends a little bit of a message there. So, and then when we're looking to the upside, when we're looking to the offer ends, it's 560, so it 565.20 is where it would end, about 565.20, 565.40, and that was the pre-market pop, the one that would be a full candle. So
I have a little bit up to 555.80. I just want to add it.
565.80.
Yeah, my stack go up to 555.
Okay, I'm glad that
80.
Yeah, on iNet.
Yeah, on iNet.
Yeah, let's put that there. There we go. I like that. So it was popping in and popping out. Now, if 565.80, yeah. Now I seem to have a flash that happens that 575 shows up, but I just want to make sure that that is not a bogus. It's not there anymore. So it could have been my vision.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna make sure I revise that before the open.
Agreed. Okay, so I'm good with that. Right now, when we're looking at SPY, it's underneath the VWAP, it's underneath the 50 EMA, the 200 EMA. It's really below, and the PCL, of course. So right now, it looks a little weak. But when we're looking at the RSI and the 2 minutes, it seems like it's consolidating a little bit there. So I'm going to put that there and see how it's going to react at the open.
Nice.
So do you have your levels?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you want to know who's first?
Snap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Snap is a snapping.
Alright. So Snap right now, actually, there's not a whole lot on the tape, but there is a big one. And if you really need to pull back for Snap, because
990.
990, 990, exactly. But when you're looking at the levels at 890, that was the pull down this morning, right? 890, and then you're looking at yesterday where it pulled up to 922 in the afternoon, and if you're looking at the tape. We've got a 927 that's large enough at 95 lots, but we've got a double shield. There's a 990 that's 500 lots, but there's also a 980 that's almost 300 lots. So there's not a whole lot on the tape I find on Snap right now. So though it's really, really high on volume, the tape should really populate at the open. But these are the levels we've got. Right now it's interacting around the VWAP, and it looks good.
Nice. Yeah.
Not sure I'm going to be touching that.
I'm not touching that. That's nice.
So then the next one is NVIDIA. So
NVIDIA short. Oof.
So NVIDIA, what's interesting is that usually we've got a whole lot of spaces between the positions. What's interesting right now is that if you're looking at the pre-market pull down, it was 116.25. So we've got at 116.20 is one large number, that's 120. We've got 116.10, but 116 is the largest, and that was the wick. The wick this morning was at 116. So 116 is 157. But then there's 116, 157, 110, 116.10, 116.20, 116.30, 116.40. So I find that very, very close. Usually NVIDIA does not show this. It's usually not at the 10 cents, but it's usually at the 50 cents. This is unusual for pre-market. So 116 is definitely one of the largest one for sure. If we're looking to the offer, oof, it's almost a desert there. So we've got 117. 118 was yesterday's resistance, which was very, very strong. We've got 117, and 117 is not all that big. And what do you see something bigger? We've got 120, and 120 is at 136. So I am going to put that 120, but very bare to the offer. What do you see, Davey?
Yeah, the offer that mattered, like it doesn't come up to 120 as you say, and then it's 123. So like I mean, the way this is looking like, I think I'm gonna be looking short anywhere above 17. I'm talking about 17, 1750. Because of how light the tape is in the offer, I think we can see 118. But I don't know. Like I mean, the downside that is looking okay. The downside that I can see on NVIDIA is so obvious that it should be a trap. So I won't be trusting it for now. But it looks like if we're gonna go down quite a bit, at least up to 1550, something like that. I think 1550 makes sense as a target if you are looking for a short. But be careful, because as I say, it looks so obvious that it could be a trap. So, and
like I said, the little, right? The 10 cents, we don't see that. Good morning, Larry.
Hello, hello. Ça va.
Ça va.
So I did check the news. We have no news that are gonna be much relevant for now. And yesterday, one of the comments I said when we had the big bounce was like, "Oh, maybe Ukraine is fired." And did you see the deal that they made?
Yeah, temporary,
for 30 days. Yeah.
Yep.
It's like.
You were dead on.
So, but I'm done with NVIDIA, but as I say, like I don't even want to put the sizes that are toward the downside, because like really like what is that? Like I mean, I know anything between 17 and 15 makes sense. That I took that similar trade long ago, and that was the last trade I took pre-market, and that was a mistake. You remember?
Yep.
So that's why I say, well, just be careful.
Agreed.
So
the next one is actually TQQ.
TQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Are you trading TQQ today?
No.
So
Let's
next
skip
one
it.
is what?
Tesla.
Okay, Tesla. I may take a bite on Tesla at some point, and but I'm gonna have to have information as I had it the day before yesterday. I don't remember when the day I traded could, because like yesterday I kind of went late on it. So Tesla, let's go for Tesla. You are not trading Tesla, or yes?
No.
Okay.
No, but I know that we've got some of our viewers that do.
Yeah, and myself too.
And yourself, you're going to be taking a little bite. So, when we're looking at Tesla,
132.40 lot.
232.
232, my bad. Yeah,
Yeah,
232
and we've got 230.
and 231.
Hmm?
What do you have at 230?
62. It's the largest.
Okay. We have 5 minutes. I don't want to use your time for something.
Yeah,
you're not
so
trading,
how about
so-
that you do?
Yeah, for
You
sure.
do Tesla?
Yeah. So I'm gonna be taking the levels for Tesla. Those are the major three pretty much. And toward the hub side, I want to see how high we can go. Oof, no, that's wrong. So this is saying we're gonna go to 220 today. Let's see. Toward the hub side, I have the highest 245. That's way too high, but Tesla is Tesla, so 245. There we go.
Tesla is Tesla. I like that one.
235.60. That's very interesting. 235.60. That's what I will consider more relevant. That 235.60. And yeah, let's see. 234.60. He's playing again. Whoever is there. Like he has a dollar range. Each dollar there is a lot,
Mm-hmm.
but it's 234.60, 235.60, and yeah, whatever. He's back running for the probably for the volatility, like 10
Okay.
cents above. I don't know. That sounds crazy, but it could be. So-
It could be.
Yeah, definitely. So we have 3 minutes, so I'm okay-ish with Tesla. I don't know, like this pattern that we are seeing is not the best. That's for sure. And let's say if I assume that I came in earlier, and this is what I had previously, and then I go from there, that will make more sense probably. So let's see. And then if I adjust, yeah, that makes more sense to me. And VWAP 233, VWAP 233. Okay, VWAP 233.60. There is not much there. It's 33.50. There is something, but not that big. There we go. Okay. So less interaction toward the downside possible. Okay, it's okay. I'm good with that one. So let's go PLTR. To 86.40. I mean, this is so annoying. 86.40.
Wow.
What's up, Marie?
I'm looking at PLTR.
Yeah. You hear what the first words I say?
Oh, no.
You're talking because of your levels.
Oh,
I see you have 100 lines plus another 20. Yeah, I have to do this a little bit faster. So 85.20, 85.20, yeah. And if we bounce from here, we go to 85.80,
Okay, so the biggest one is 87.82.
85.84.
87.82 on PLTR is freaking 1,000 lot.
Where is that? Oh, I see 87, 82.
Jeez. So that was a pre-market. That was the pop, is it? I'm
Yeah,
gonna
it's
go back in the
it's
tube.
a triple top. So 83, 50, 83, 50. Okay, as I say, I'm gonna come back to look at SPY. So this guy is 772. That's huge. The biggest lot is in there.
That's ginormous.
It's good to remember that heavy buyer was at 85 yesterday. So if we break 85, we may go lower by a bit. So 86 is the price I find more interesting for.
Oh, yesterday, right? That was 86. It was a big resistance. Have fun.
Merci, toi aussi.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm offering 86, 86.20 for short. For a short, 86.20. I see popping up. I'm on Nvidia short already, and okay, Nvidia is there, PLTR here, and yeah, oof, Nvidia is trying to pop up.
so SPY now is interacting with the pre-market low. It's trying to.
I went in PLTR short as well.
Okay.
And let's see. Oof, Tesla is offering that one too, but like okay. Nvidia really popping up. Okay, Nvidia.
I am going to.
My computer is lagging a bit. Nvidia is gonna get me out.
I did.
Yeah, it did right now. And PLTR as well. Okay.
So the market is pushing a wee bit.
Yeah, that's it. Nvidia.
Okay, so now it's interacting with the stack that was at 560.
Okay, I showed Nvidia one more time.
Holding the
And I short
118.
PLTR one more time. Those were good prices. I won't punish myself if it doesn't work. And I had those prices from pre-market. And we have to trust the process, you know.
So if we're looking at the tape though, for both, I find Nvidia, and I'm looking at SPY as well, there seems to be some strength. So SPY now interacting with the VWAP.
Come on, Nvidia, don't do that.
Nvidia crossing the 118.
You remember I said it could be a trap?
119 is large on Nvidia. SPY is crossing the VWAP.
Nvidia, what the heck are you doing by that?
I went long. 119 still large on Nvidia. We've got SPY now is interacting. I am going to still have some strength a little bit, eh, in the market?
Mm-hmm. But watch out.
Mm-hmm. I agree with you.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Just managing my risk on PLTR as good as I can, but definitely I got a good entry, very good entry. The problem is, as you say, the market's popping up. No cunde el pánico.
Okay? You're not panicking?
Yeah.
$119 on Nvidia is still there.
Yeah. I had to PLTR, but Nvidia is almost at the sweet spot. Just trying to go. Like what I mean is PLTR is trying to hold as good as he can, but I guess I can say Nvidia is doing something very funky there. I know we have a huge candle in the 5 minute. Let's zoom out. And that's a huge candle for Nvidia in the 5 minute. Unlikely to come back from there, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave it alone because it's the only one I like. That was well, the only one. PLTR is strong as well, but PLTR trying to do kind of similar move. Tesla, yeah. Tesla is so rangy.
Tesla's rangy?
Yeah, like the same than yesterday, like.
Some
Yeah,
spies
so-
at the VWAP again.
Up to now, I have done my job correctly, so I just have to make sure I manage my trade different.
We've got a good positive reaction from
The
SPY at the VWAP. Okay, 119 is going to be printing on Nvidia. What is it going to do there? It doesn't seem to have a lot of continuity after. Is it going to be enough momentum? We definitely found some sellers there.
What a fight PLTI is putting up there, for sure.
Mhm.
It's a very nice fight, but
So SPY now is is still at the VWAP, close to it actually. So $120 is joining.
I thought you were riding the loan on those things.
Yeah, I got it on 119. I didn't see any continuity, but now we've got 120 that's very, very tight. That's very high. And we've got 121. But SPY right now is really having some difficulty at that 560. 450, 564. I'm going to put that level there because spending way too much time right there.
Who was by?
SPY. So let's see. Did the tape flip?
I slowed down on purpose because I feel I was happy trigger at the open. At least
Okay. Good
Proba-
control.
probably with Nvidia Nvidia was not that bad actually. But
So I just want to see, I'm going to reevaluate the tape and reevaluate NVIDIA's because it would seem that it is the market reversing a little bit there. Look, it's not.
yeah. I have an order, I saw the orders way far on Snap. If you see, I have an order, I see there is an order
80? We had
980
that
and
one and
990,
10.
yeah.
Yeah, those two we had those. Yeah, 980 and 990, that was a double shield.
Spy is trying to go higher. I mean,
Mhm.
it's like very nice for a Spy. Very congested time for PLTR here. I mean,
Agreed.
it's trying its best, but
Mm-hmm. Well, look, I really problems with my mouse. Sorry, God. I'm sure it's very annoying to hear that.
not to me. Mm-hmm. Take a look at SPY. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hold this for good.
You think so?
SPY is gonna go to 550 again today. Not today, probably, but it's gonna go there. Just look at that thing, and I don't wanna say any bad words. Just look at 550. 550 dead on. And tell me that you have it. You have a double shield because one of them is at 540 and the other is at 550.
Wow. Yep.
Of course, impossible to 540 in my opinion, but you know,
It's our opinion, eh?
I don't know anything. Did you saw it?
Yep. Insane. But
Yeah, 565 is first. 565.78 is first. No. Mistake. Oh, Jim, when you do, okay, I need. No.
oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Okay, now it's okay.
Okay, so is it reversing right now?
I don't know if now, but
Close to it.
man, what that I have to for whenever I'm gonna explain it, like
Yeah.
I sleep good, you know, but like I still manage to push the buy button twice instead of the short button of the.
No.
Like I wanna add and I push the opposite button twice. It's not good, my guy, not good. Tengo que verla. Nvidia is gonna offer you a short entry if you are willing to.
I believe I would. Because I am going to. I believe I would.
Best entry 19. Let's see. In my opinion,
1980.
119.45.
You're not gonna smoke me to death. No, 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 no. Ha ha ha. No me gusta. No, 119. Really? Really? Really?
I don't know.
It looks really rangy. Look at it here.
Yeah, but I'm gonna give it just a couple more minutes. Let's say to PLTR. If it doesn't do nice advancement, I'm gonna change the stock. I don't wanna, I don't wanna, and I won't be trapped into something that is rangy.
Yeah, I find it.
But you remember I said rangy Tesla. It's the thing. Now it's not
Yeah.
rangy Tesla. It's rangy everything. Like I mean, minus Nvidia because Nvidia already did a nice move.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was right. It's 118. Look at SPY. Look at SPY. Look at SPY.
We are just getting ready for the move.
To the downside.
Either side, like I mean, if I have the direction right, it's gonna be toward the downside.
Mm-hmm.
But it could be toward the upside when we are in those consolidations, rangy market. We kind of really don't know. Like, but I think it's gonna be toward the downside.
Okay, there's a stack going
Base,
to 567. Very close to it right now. I'm gonna put that there because well, that's a big one.
Where is it?
At there's a stack on SPY starting at 566.30, going to 566.7.
A lot of uncertainty around that
Mhm.
price. I'm learning a lot from those market, like and because of that learning, like I am more flexible. Let's say, like in anything, no, like as I told you yesterday, I think that there is more downside to come, but I am very open for me to be wrong in there. I mean, like, of course, if I am wrong, I am wrong. It won't change anything in the equation, but at least the decisions I take based on are gonna be more
Absolutely.
friendly, market friendly. Like, for example, like today, I was expecting, like, let's say, I'm gonna be honest, like I
go
mean,
back.
I won't have any reservation in what I'm gonna say now. Yeah, to me today we were gonna be going down like since the open. But the way I feel the market is moving today, it's like if Mayor Big Money is stepping aside and saying, let's see if those participants are really wanting to buy more and push it higher. Because if they want to push it higher, well, we jump with them higher. And if they are sure that this participation cannot push it higher, and Big Money step on, it will be for the shorts. But that haven't been true up to now. Like I mean, right now, if you see it, yeah, SPY is flying like 66. What did you say?
65, 67.
Yeah. So oof, you still have a lot to go if you're gonna be right on that one. And that is very interesting. Like Tesla have problem at 234.60, and let me take a little bite at 234.60. Like this is no one. Okay. Right there. Well, yeah, this is a very interesting range activity, range price action, uh, and let's quantify it because I think I don't have like a SPY. No, a SPY is going higher and higher. Nvidia is was also going higher. Right now, it's looking a little bit more sketchy, but PLTR very dead price action there. Like we are like pretty much moving sideways. I messed up in my hotkeys. Tesla, sideways. AMD, I have a long time without looking at AMD. Oof, push higher with Nvidia. Hood is one that we have been looking those days. Sideways move, but sideways like it haven't been like that in the whole couple days. So it also made me ask me like, is there any news that we are not aware of? We have SoFi, not Soji, SoFi. What else? What else I can look? Baba. Baba is a Chinese ADR, but of course we still look at it. QBTS. Ooh la la, that doesn't look cute. Did you look at that?
Woo! Woo!
Amazon. Pumping up Amazon, nice. We have been beaten down like crazy. AAPL. Yeah, man, like, I mean, it's very interesting, I have to say. I just don't know what is going on.
Okay, so
So-
now let's check SPY. This is a very interesting level. So we've got NVIDIA that is at a VWAP. SPY is still pushing up.
Tesla 135.
Okay, so SPY is making a new high.
Yeah, I see that.
There's nothing though when we're looking at the tape for NVIDIA. So that could be a top.
Nvidia for me from long ago is a short. Like, I mean, after the push from long ago, it was a short. Since the 19, because like, you remember that we see the first 100 lot was at what price? At 20. Then you have another way farther step, which is at 123. So, like for example, right now it's like I'm gonna go to Nvidia. It's going back to 118.
Yeah.
Normally I will buy that, not today.
I was going to say, yeah, it could be a good, but right now I don't like the wick that SPY is doing, but it's filling it. So I'm gonna see the interaction at 118.
If this is a long trap, I have to say it's the most sophisticated long trap I have ever seen. And would you say that that's computer made it? Yeah, for sure. But I don't even know if computer trades SPY that way. Like, I mean, like, I'm speculating here. I don't even know what if that does exist. Like, I know those. Yeah, for sure they should do that too, but because they are allowed to. But so, like, by law they are allowed, but what I mean is, like, I don't know if anybody, any company have those machines, like those computer, the algo printing like that in the indexes. Like, look at the RSI in the 1 minute. It made a higher high above the above the overbought, and it's making another higher high. So I wanna look in like, okay, in the 5 minute we are not there yet. In the 5 minute we have to go to your 567. Apparently, I mean, like, but what is that 567? Did you saw the level of support previously?
Well, it's almost a PCL.
Yeah, exactly. Which act as a level of support after the market close. It's nothing. Like, that's land of nobody there. Like, I mean, there was no even volume there. Like, there was one big execution, and ugly enough, I will say, but. Yeah, you see Nvidia bouncing back.
But look at the position.
I
Still
don't want to
there.
influence you in your position. Talk to me. Like,
Yeah,
I
so
know you're
right
willing
now-
to take a trade. Just let me know. Like,
Yeah.
you talk to me.
Yeah, so right now when we're looking at the tray at the tape, 118 is solid. It's super large. So right now it seems to be caught between the two VWAP, the overnight and the daily VWAP, and 118 is still building. But as well, we've got 119 that's building. So for SPY to be picking up that much volume and for NVIDIA to be moving so little, I believe that we are going to be looking at a pop and then a roll back. I do not understand why it did not go to 118. So it's going to go to 119 first. Okay, 567 on SPY.
Yeah, I see. Let's appreciate that moment.
That was crazy, eh?
Oh yeah, it's
567 on SPY. That was a perfect. So PCL now on SPY. Tape flipping on NVIDIA. Didn't get 119 yet. The positions are still there. Okay, I'm gonna go and see what. Whew, what a week.
LTI haven't get me out by the penny.
52.50.
Probably will, but
50, 63 is huge.
prefer to look at it.
Holy cannoli. No way. No way. No way.
No way, Jose.
way. Okay, so now we've got what the hell? 569 on SPY. Look at you with your 570. I'm telling you, this is crazy.
Spy. What the heck is it? Did you see how it's flying?
That's insane.
I'm out of food. Out of PLTR.
Are you?
Yep.
Why?
Because he hit my stop loss.
Look at Snap
Snap.
and tell me it's not going to go to 210.
Just 40 cents from there.
Things look extended, and we keep saying it looks extended, but it's not extended until
I
Spy finishes. Oh my god.
Yeah.
But you're right. The 970 looks.
but like we are not 670. You know, like 570. Sorry.
Okay. What are you doing, Spy? Okay, so we've got some curl back. That's very interesting. So, what is the tape showing us? So, 1950. Okay, NVIDIA, 1950. Ay, ay, ay. Let's put that top there. So, maybe.
I went short before him.
Did you?
Yep.
It didn't make a higher high for NVIDIA.
No, but that's
But
why.
we do know that yesterday it did that too. Little booger.
Like because basically I will be considering myself wrong if we get there. Because 1950 is a higher like it's a double top.
At 950, yeah, you are correct. And when we're looking at
And the logic
tape,
like it will be not a double top. It will be pierced by 5 cents. And if you have a spy flying the way it's flying, and Nvidia not even making a higher high, it's like what is going on?
Mhm.
Has been a little bit difficult.
Okay, wow, look at you, PLTR, finally. 87. You can take it.
Because I'm gonna do funny faces.
Yes, you will do funny faces for sure.
It's okay.
Well, you take a second break, 1 second, and take it. It would be worth it.
We have to go for a spoon.
Yeah.
Oh, you
it's-
brought it.
Everything's there. Everything's there. A full one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back. All right, we're back. Oh my goodness. I really don't get it. Pourquoi, Mother Market, pourquoi? Pourquoi est-ce que tu fais ça à moi?
Pourquoi? Pourquoi, Mother Market? Okay, $87.25, baby.
Yeah, you didn't hear the second part. Pourquoi est-ce que tu fais ça à moi?
Oui, c'est ça que j'ai dit. Oh.
Donc le problème est moi.
Okay, wow.
Oh la la, look at my entry. On NPDA. PLTR, you are a piece of crap. Not really, I know you are a nice company. I just hate what you do when you get me out that way.
Mm-hmm.
And don't
Yeah, so SPY is going to go up to 570. Is it going to pierce or is it going to stay there? Because there is enough momentum, there's enough volume. It's the NVIDIA that's really...
I am sure the video from Lomagor, I don't know if you saw it.
No, I didn't.
And now I feel I can take vacations on it, you know? Like, no jokes. So, because that's not the big WAP hole I will be looking for if I want to be looking low. Quiero tenerla ahora mismo.
I don't see a clear tape on NVIDIA.
Just look at its price action.
That I agree. But
Like you have a spy that is flying. I'm repeating myself there. I think.
you are.
And,
But that's okay. Obviously, it's information that's needed.
and Nvidia I'm okay here, you know, guys. I really don't care. That spy is putting another high. I don't need to go that high. And that's not right. Like I mean, you have all the things flying. Even PLTR was the same thing, the same movie. Like Spy flying, PLTR took a very hard time here. And if we go back to 86, it's not gonna be a back to 86 with a stop in there again. I don't know if you know what I meant. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar, rodar y rodar. Y yo sí sé bien que no me quisiste, pero vas a estar muy triste cuando te toque rodar. Con dinero y sin dinero, yo hago siempre lo que quiero. That's the right call. I don't know your price, but that's the right call.
We will see. I saw a tape flip there.
You look what I say. If it goes back in there, it's not gonna be a back with the stop. That's gonna whoop,
Whoop it!
swallow down. Yeehaw! Take it easy, my guy. Take it easy.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Oh, that was my next expression. Yeehaw!
Is that Mexican? I thought that it was more.
Órale, güey.
That would be something we say in Canada.
No, that's Speedy Gonzalez.
No, it's ay ay ay.
Ay, 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 ay. Ya
It's gonna get me
verás.
Yeah. Why do I take short? It's look.
No, no,
look,
no,
it's
no, no,
not
no, no.
going. It's going
I'm
to
gonna
go.
ask you like the question
telling you.
correct. Why did you took the shirt at that price?
It's more that.
And you wouldn't jump again now?
No, it's 87.50. It's a good price. Because I know Spy. We said that Spy's gonna make a new high, and there it goes.
About Spy, you are better informed than me. I'm just talking about PLTR.
And Spy's making a new high.
I say a strong way of making a new high, you know?
I knew it. Why did I take it? I don't know. Okay, let's look at NVIDIA.
But now it's at the price you wanted. That's what I kind of don't get sometimes. Like, you didn't say that you wanted at 87.50?
Is it at 87.50?
It was very close.
That's a double top right there.
Like, what is more a term?
The bid is pulling out.
And that means?
But look at Spy.
I
There we
know,
go.
It's Spy, I don't know.
God dang. What are you gonna do now?
Dear Marie, what I'm just trying to say is that the trade might be a term for you to do what you want. It might be not there yet, but it's closer than the one that you're gonna switch for.
Correct. You are correct. It's just I don't believe in the short. PLDR made a higher high. See? Damn. I'm happy I didn't go. 87.50.
Ay, 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 ay. No lloré. Okay, let me just. I will put my order where you want your thing. 87.50. Order is in. Let's see if we get it. Say 87.50 is a good price for the short. You say, not me. Luego, Spy. Se te acabó la Coca-Cola, Spy.
¿Qué?
Ay, I'm
¿Qué tú
sorry.
dices?
I'm asking Spy if you run out of Coca-Cola. In my opinion, that 8750 won't get offered. But like, I'm trusting your price, not my price. So. Con dinero y sin dinero, yo hago siempre lo que quiero. Y mi palabra es la ley.
I took it at 87.
No tengo tronos ni reinar, ni nadie que me comprenda, pero sigo siendo el rey.
Dime, what is reina mean?
Queen.
Okay, so it's the same in French.
Tesla got me out again. I'm gonna leave it quiet for now. Not for too long, my guy. Not for too long. Yeehaw.
Okay. That is Calgary. That's Canadian. That's a cowboy.
Okay.
Ay, ay, ay.
No, that.
Arriba, arriba, arriba. Ay, ay, ay. Mhm.
Ya no me importa que diga la gente que soy diferente mundo de ti. Si ya yo solo quiero vivir a tu lado y hacerte feliz. Tarararán. Pronto volveré, mi bien, a tu corazón. Otra vez, sé que volverás. Yo lo sé, pero mi corazón no podré. Ya no me importa que diga la gente que soy diferente al mundo de ti. Si ya yo solo quiero vivir a tu lado y hacerte feliz. Tan, tan, tan. Mi bien, a tu corazón. Otra vez, sé que volverás. Yo lo sé, pero mi corazón no podré. Ya no me importa que diga la gente que soy diferente al mundo de ti. Si ya yo solo quiero vivir a tu lado y hacerte feliz.
I say it. Now a SPY has a possibility to go to 571. So when are we going to stop taking shorts? When do you think?
I don't know. I am very close to what should I say?
569, tabanos.
Is like, why would you flip long now?
I'm not.
No,
I'm
no, but
staying
like-
right there.
Like, why will you be looking long now? Like, give me a good reason.
Possible 571 on SPY.
Yeah, how far are we from there?
Right there.
Exactly. And then, how much you will
But we
believe-
were saying possible 567. No. Possible 568. No. Possible 569. No.
No, but
Possible 570.
Yeah.
No. Possible 571. Eh.
71 is the real shit, you know? Like, no? Okay.
But that's what we keep saying.
Mm,
Possible. We've been saying possible since
okay.
567.
Now I have PLTR at 87.50, the price you gave me. My stop loss are always 50 cents above, so
The tape has flipped. So now PLTR will be 88. So PLTR at 88. But no, that's not right. So now SPY is at 570. Whoop. And there's PLTR crossing. And SPY is going to 570. But now there's a stack going to 571.50. And PLTR is saying that, hey, 88.50. Call in the bin. Call in the bin. 88's huge on PLTR. Muito estábamos.
Marie, perspective, Marie, perspective.
Yeah, we've been having our perspectives for $4. Jeez.
How many tickets do you have?
Not much, only 17.
Nice. I'm sorry.
I'm telling you.
Ce n'est pas facile.
No, c'est pas facile. Okay. Ugh.
Oops, PLTR in the money. Of course, I have a 50 cent stop loss, but it only went 25 against me.
Did you see the position at 218? At 88.
How stressed am I in any of the positions I have?
Oh, yeah, but you slept well. There's no stress.
No,
whatsoever.
that's not because of, and it helped, but I mean elasticity. We have to exercise the elasticity. If you, yeah, it's because of the size.
Oh God, yeah. That was huge. Yes. Okay, so I said 87, so it's 88. Okay.
Now you move it to 88.
450. be.
The market is not at the same condition right now. It's at 87.50 right now, just in case.
Okay, so but look at the position at 90. Oh, I don't believe in shit.
Come on, Marie, you get this. There is a sweet price right now. But you have to be able to believe in your trade and take it with a size that you are able to manage a higher high there. Higher high. If you sleep too much, then you're gonna see it and you're gonna chase it. And that's what we don't wanna do, chase any move. I will put the stop loss on the high of the day. At this point, it shouldn't print there. Now I know why you the other day were trying to not look at the position. So,
Absolutely.
can we put the stop loss? Let's do teamwork here. Let's put that. It's the opposite.
No.
I think you have time to put it manually if you want. Okay. Put it where you want it. There.
Well, you said right above.
Yeah.
High.
That should be good. That makes sense. So now, talk to me.
Sing.
Let's do something else.
Now, do
Like-
you know why that I?
Now, no, but like I saw it, I didn't see it before. Before I didn't see it.
Yeah. Now you know why.
Yeah, now I know why.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm not saying that we're gonna be right here. Like, that we're gonna be correct. It's just like, sporadically, let's put some space. Like, let's say, let's talk about, I don't know, like, what did you see in the news yesterday that was interesting?
What did I, well, I think that Donald Trump was declaring war.
To who?
Well, I think it's the world, but he was putting. He wanted to put U.S. in a
State of, yeah,
state
like,
of war.
is it too soon for it? He's supposed to wait like a year and a half, and then it's more justifiable, but doing it for now?
I think that what happens is if
There's
he
no
is
election
in
of the
one.
meeting.
I think that if it is that though, and he does that, it's because that he's able to have special powers when he's in that state.
And what he gonna do if people go to the street like the people in Korea and say that he have to remove it because we are not in war?
Well, I think that he believes that the world is in love with him. That's what a narcissist.
Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's talk about something more relaxed. So,
How's your weekend doing?
my weekend, it should be good. My weekend. I mean, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Look at it now. Look at it now. After buy print above 570. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
kind of agree with him. There's very sophisticated bull traps happening.
That was me who said it.
Oh.
So,
Hmm.
but yeah, and so how much stress did you feel for the little talk we have about whatever, just with your
Not
trade?
looking at it?
Yeah, no much.
That's why
right.
that I need
But-
to flip.
But there is a right thing and a wrong thing about that. Like, I mean, the good is that, like, I saw now why you were doing that the other day. The problem is that you went to the other extreme. like what I see as a problem is that, like for example, I want to be looking at the tape, but I don't want to feel the way, like I don't want to be as focused as you were in the tape, but I want to look at the tape. Like I want to look more sporadically, like I mean more lighter, like more. Oof, I know, like oof, I see, like you see those two guys here. I will be paying attention to them. 87.44. What is my price? Oh, but I have 87.50. How much should I be concerned about him? Well, not much. Now let's see. Oh, is he stepping up or stepping down? Oh, he's at 52, but then he went back to 44. Now he's
36?
now he's 36. Now he's 20. And then you make another bad joke and you go back to your trade. You know? No, it's. But if I am like, he's gonna catch me. He's gonna catch me.
Boom!
Boom! Out. He didn't even get there.
Yep. Now we move to 60.
And the problem with that, another problem that we have with that, and that's why I asked you, oh, now you move it to 88? What was the high of PLTR yesterday?
No, I didn't move anything.
No, I know, but now in your head, 87.50 was a good
86.
entry.
We had issues with 86.
Yeah, but that's what I do. You did today what I do, and I think I did it too. Like, the same mistake where shoot. I told you I eased a bit because I was too happy at the open. I shoot too much at the open.
Okay.
And then I say, okay, let me take a break. Like, and I just held whatever I had. But like now, if we get you out, what should be your plan? It will get you out probably, but like, yeah. Now what is your plan?
It's going to go to 88.
And what do you want to do at 88?
Watch it go.
You want to short it, and that 88 you want to front run it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, because you have to memorize. Look, you have to memorize what that price did to it. If that price did that to it, 88 is gonna do even more. It's not gonna go to 88 probably. But you should be able to get 87.90 as a price.
Wow. If it's going to go to 90, it's going to go to 88. Check the position.
Are you following me?
I am.
Okay.
And that's what my answer
88 is.
was. You said the front run 87.50. Front run 87. And I said it's going to go to there.
Yeah, but it's not the same. You were right at that point. You are not right now.
Okay.
So, like what happened, Marie, pay attention to David. Look, we have to see what the tape is doing with it there. Like, did it across that in one candle? That's a 2-minute candle. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 minutes fighting with 87.50. How many minutes is gonna take for it to fight with 88?
2.
But it's gonna go to 88?
Yes.
But then, like, what is the mentality here? Get filled at 88, and you can have even tighter stop loss because it should be able to have less power.
Where is it? I'm not right here. See? 88.
You haven't got to 88, but that I will be going in there. And I'm in my trade yet. Like, I don't know, I'm out. 88. Oh, I had my price below 88. Okay, I'm gonna retake it.
At 88.
I took it and now I have a tighter stop loss. I have 87.95 as a price, and my stop loss is 88.21. And if you really think it's gonna go to 88, then back run it.
It is going to go to 88.
Back run it means you put like 88
10.
thing exactly. Well, look, it's gonna go 87.99, and then it's gonna flush. That's why I asked you, what was the high of the PLTR yesterday?
Don't know. Right now. Yeah, 88.
88.99 or 87.99, but what's 99? You see, like it's doing it to you again. I got 87.95. I front run it. And what I'm trying to illustrate here is that those guys, we have to, like, you have the possibility of getting there. But once we are wrong, yes, we're going to take the loss because we were wrong. But you want to see what effect did that big order had in the price. And what we say here, well, it slowed down the price by 25 minutes. And it's not that late yet. So the chances of it having harder time at 88 are even higher. Because this guy already created damage here.
Correct.
By the point that the stock get there, the buyers are way weaker. So because the buyers are getting weaker, and weaker by 25 minutes here, this is unlikely.
That it will go to 88.
Unlikely. Unlikely that it will go to 88 and hold above. Like I think he will go because he having a strong and SPY is strong. But like, is that a good entry for the short? Yes, that's a good entry for the short. And the more and more, like, the problem is that we are getting stopped while we get there. That's why, how common it is that you short, and when you flip to the long, it doesn't work.
Because it's extended.
Because it is already at the point that now is that the short makes sense. That's why I was asking the other day if they measure how long is for a human being, you remember?
No.
Like,
Dime.
like if there is a average measurement for this is for how long they're gonna be stubborn about something, or the set spread,
Oh, yeah,
you remember?
yeah, I remember that. I
Yeah.
remember that. Yes. I do remember.
So
We
that was
spoke
because
about
of that. It's gonna go to 88, but I don't think it's gonna hold. But the mentality after shouldn't be breaking even. You have to give it like 25 cents above, which is a lot. 25 cents, I agree.
It is a lot.
There we go, 88. Come on, 88, you can do it. 88. Buy the penny. Did it do that when it was here?
That candle's not that dead yet.
No, it's not that.
So it's going to
Like
get
you're-
88 there. Nope. But then we've got a little stack at 88.50.
You're gonna hate it if you print 87.99 for the rest of the day.
I am going to. And there it goes.
Okay, now 25 cents stop loss. No more than that. It makes no sense, and that's why I have to practice this, and I am practicing this with PLTR. He's like, my guy, like, why would you give it 25 cents if you know already that the price is supposed to be weak around there? $0.10 more.
It's gonna go to 88.50. What is SPY doing? Oh God, look at that stuff. Look at SPY DV.
Yeah, and Nvidia made a higher high. I will be out there. I am out there today.
So D-May.
Observe it.
D-May.
Watch it.
Who was right?
Wait
Who
for it.
was right?
Watch it.
I don't care about white thing, but who was right? Oh. I was right.
So let's see. I'm gonna go with you, Bill George. I mean, we're gonna go down, and we're gonna go down for good. If we're gonna go down, and so I see 88.60. So
Okay, so SPY. Oh God, 572. So when are we going to be looking?
I be sure that there, right there. Wherever he got me out, I just reshorted. If we go back into the 88s, you're gonna be missing the trade if you go back between the 88.
571. There we go. No, it's look at the tape, DV.
I did watch the tape. I got what price I got? I got 20, so that's what I want.
The biggest position is at
88.60.
89.
88.60.
Okay, so that's at 571. That would be a double top for SPY. Okay, that could correspond to that. Just want to look at something because I just placed an order there. Never got there, so I placed it in my account, my simulating account. Okay.
So let's keep observing the same thing. Like it lasts even less at the 88, like way less at the 88. So it actually didn't last at all. So next order is at 88.50.
And then 88.60, and then 88. Oh no, not even 88. It's 90. Clear 90. 88, and 90 is almost 400. So, if we would have taken long at 87.50 to 90, that's a $2.50. No?
Yeah,
Okay.
but we got the direction wrong. That's not for sure.
So how long are we going to take some short? Obviously now, forget the long, but so 89 and 90 is ginormous on PLTR. You see it?
Yeah, 200 lot.
So 89 is almost 300. And 90 90 is 200.
Okay, see the 88.50 print.
Check the RSI. What you doing? Look at that. Funny. It's not that our levels were wrong. Our levels were spectacularly correct. Why do we not believe in those levels? No idea. There you go. NVIDIA, 120. PLTR, Is it going to go to 90? So you said yesterday the high? No, that was, yeah, no.
Whatever it was 0.99 for the yesterday high. I'm gonna check it now. Yeah, 88.99 was the high of yesterday.
I don't see it.
Uh,
Is that one?
like,
You're talking this one.
no, that's many days ago. That's
That's a 30.
that's today. This is 88.99. If you put your cursor on that,
On this one?
yeah, you will see the high.
Donde?
Why yours doesn't say it? We're gonna have to put the information there, the reading.
But it does here.
Like what time frame is that? 30 minutes?
Oh, it's too high.
Where is it?
It does it too high. Look. It's in the.
Okay, so in here you can see like here, 87. This is the candle. On yesterday, 87.99.
Yep. Look at that. The buyers are.
Yeah, they're
RSI,
enormous. Yeah, I know.
RSI. Okay.
It's hard to explain certain things when you, myself, you are doing it wrong. Like for example, I don't have that many entry. Let's say that's another thing too. But like, look at. I told you the biggest guy, next big guy was at 88.50.
Mm-hmm.
What is the print now? It's 88.50 dead on by the penny.
Mm-hmm.
You remember when we were talking about the quality of the bounce?
Mm-hmm.
So, do I mean that by that it's gonna work? No, I kind of really believe that I was wrong too long, too many times, but I'm gonna have to scrap my. At the end of the day, I'm gonna know if I was right or not. And like, I know you're gonna say, "Oh, but we don't trade until the end of the day." I will hold the position until the end of the day.
Yeah, you're able to.
If I am right. But
Huge at 89.
But like one of the problems is that if you don't take the shot, also you don't have the trade. Like I mean, you know what I mean? Like if I took 88.20 because I saw the biggest guy at 88.50. I say if he's ever gonna go to 88.50, I have 20 cents above the big guy to protect myself, and that's the 20 cents that he never reached for now. So, but I have the trade. So if he managed to go all the way down to tumble as my expectations are, I will be okay. But I have to have the trade to be okay. And when I back up and like there is a sweet spot of what I am talking here. Like if I stop shooting and then I would chase the move, then I'm gonna be just accumulating losses. You know what I mean? Like for example, I told you my.
Oh, I totally understand. We have exactly the same P&L right now.
But what I mean is like yeah, but you do you have a predetermined how many cents you let it move against you is very important, because it's like if I will keep my 25 stop if I use 25 and I have 50 and 25 depending on the case.
Mm-hmm.
But I kind of don't like to use the 25 because I get stop out a lot. Of course the losses are half, so maybe I should be using that more.
Absolutely. I'm not comfortable even using the 25.
But that's exactly what I'm trying to say here. So if you are shooting if you are adjusting your size because you're gonna have just a lower uh, cents risk, but you're gonna be taking the same amount in loss. Like it's still a big loss. So you are willing to be a step out more often with the same risk.
With less loss, yes. Because in this case here, with my 25, I went in 5 times because it was 86, 87, 88, 88.50. So I went in, but with that loss of 25 cents. You know what I mean? So that's too much. Especially when you don't believe in the trade. For me, that was too much.
Well, if you don't believe, I don't know why you even take it. No, I'm not being sarcastic, and I'm not being. I'm not trying to disrespect you in any manner. But what I'm saying,
no.
like the reason why I have been shooting short, is because I do believe that this is a freaking short, even if we go that high. But I can tell you, when I take a trade that I don't believe, I manage so poorly that I came to the conclusion that if I don't believe in the trade, I won't just take it.
Yeah, and that was my mistake. For me, I saw it long since the beginning, and the only money I did make is in Nvidia long. I saw the market long from the beginning, so for me to take short, I really felt uncomfortable. Correct.
So but that will be something that I would recommend we adjust, because it's like, if you don't believe it, don't take it.
Don't take it.
Like to me, like I'm gonna put it out there. The picture I have today, and it count for the day. I know we are day trading, but what I count for the day is that the SPY put this high. I think all that is gonna give it be gone.
Oh, I agree, but not when we're going to be trading.
And like yeah.
So for me, at 5, for me, like for SPY to go $10 and to continue saying it's short, when I knew it was high. And for me, my style is I'm a scalper. So I was going against what I was seeing on the tape, and I was putting the levels. Said, "Hey, it's going to go to 567." No, it's not going to go to 5. Yeah, it's going to go. It's going to go to 569. And so, believing that, why would I go short? Right? I was crooked. So no, I agree. So, absolutely.
Late, but I am understanding you, but late. No, because if I knew that you didn't believe in the short, why would, like, in my head, you normally don't do that. You normally don't do that.
No, I don't. If I don't believe, I don't believe. Because even you, when you took your short initially, your first short, I went long and I made money. Right? So, no. Absolutely. Absolutely. I agree.
And what I was saying by, like, if my whole picture, like, like I am red now, let's say, like, about half of my maximum loss per day. And if I am right, I'm gonna be green very, very easy.
Oh, for sure, because it's at the top, right?
But like,
What I'm saying though,
but right
to
now,
have taken it at 86 and say, hey, you know what? No, I don't believe in the short.
But what I'm
here,
saying here-
85.50 go long.
yeah. But what I'm saying here is like, if you stop shooting, by the time you get to be right, you won't be hanging on the trade. So we have to find a sweet spot for you.
Well,
where
we
you-
need to stop shooting until it does. Like, come on, shooting from there to there.
It's not that simple.
Yeah, but
The-
it's a $3 shoot.
The reason why
We
it's
gotta
not,
stop shooting
The
until
reason
it
why it's not
does
that simple,
manifest.
how many days we got the first trade, like yesterday? And how many shots did you give to whatever you were trading? I don't remember what was that at the open.
I'm just saying that right now the tape could be flipping. So I'm just paying attention right now on both.
I'm in my trade, so I don't have to pay attention.
Well, I do. So that's seems to be flipping. Oh, I don't like the 88. Did you see the 88?
88.
88, and then there's 90. 88, 88, and then there's 90. Oh, come on. 571.
You see that it went 570, 50? Ay, papi. So there was a day this week, I think it was Monday or it was yesterday, I don't remember, that you just give it one shot at the entry and you got the best price of everything.
Best price.
So that's what I mean. You gave it one shot and you were so right that it moved right away.
Mm-hmm.
That is what normally happens. What had happened yesterday and today is a more choppy market that is not every day like that.
Correct.
So, but what I mean here, if you are like, basically what we will need to say is probably like at the open we give you 2 shots and then if you are wrong, walk away until it really get extended.
Correct.
But we have to put a parameter where we say from here to here we don't shoot.
That makes more sense.
Yodelay-hee-hoo.
No, I got to go. Can I take a
Yeah, for sure. Let's take a break. Can I take a break? Davey, we are going to
Take
take
a break.
You are the boss. Ay. I pressed wrong button. Yeah. It's this one. Perfect, we are back. So let's see. Oh no, oh no.
Unlikely that it would print 8850.
But it just printed.
Uh-huh. Correct. Now I'm looking.
That's your 60-minute trial, you know.
Mm-hmm. I'm look. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you, David. That's a good one. Thank you.
Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que es mi destino.
So look at your tape, Davy.
Mm-hmm.
What do you see? Do you see the tape as long or as short?
Okay, I'm gonna read the tape out loud and then I'm gonna say what I think it is. So we have 8220, 19 lot. That 19 lot should be good to hold because it means we are not that weak, so we are pumping up. We should be good at 8810, 8820, never break below there. 8845, 8848, 8850. The last two have 43 and 45 lot. So, and that is making the stock look funny. I knew there was a guy at 8860, and the last print we saw was exactly at 8865. We pierced it by 5 cents. So, that tape to me is looking bearish. The reason why that tape is looking bearish is because we are holding above, but we are holding with way less, like there is less sellers than the sellers that were when we were between 87 and 80, and they are making the price pull back more, like a wider range with a smaller size. Right now,
do you see the big positions
at
anymore?
88, no, there is one at 90 that have 100 lot, 189 lot, but that's it. The biggest one is 8840, and the 8840 have 80 lot. So, I think that we can look probably at the 1 minute to take a better look at the volume profile. We are talking PLTR, and SPY is really crazy right now. So we have, okay, so when we pull back a bit, we reduce the volume. One of the problem we see is the, oh yeah, it might be okay. We might survive. Like 8840 makes sense. Let's see, 8840. I have a little order to add that 8840. So 8840, and yeah, that should be the tilting point. 8840. Let's see.
Do you see the position at 89?
8920. Yeah, 89 have 326 and 8920 have 207.
Correct.
So, but if we say that we are pulling back from 8848, 8850 with the smaller sizes, what are the chances that we're gonna get there if the smaller sizes are big enough to push down? Like for example, you see how now 60 show up? Like, so I'm not saying I'm right, I don't even know, like I haven't run the whole day. So let's see. Yeah, like 89.48 seems to be wanting to get filled. So let's see. 88.40 have 40 lot, 88.50 have 52. Okay, tape is really advancing toward these orders. I got the ad that I want. So Now let's see, 88.50. Big size at 89, at 89.20, as you just mentioned. So look how the tape is slightly getting bigger on the offer. 88.70, 88.72 have 26 lot. If we get there, I'm gonna be wrong, and he's gonna get me out. That's a for sure. So, but I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get there. And yeah, like if you see, I only have 1, 2. This was a mistake. Which one was a mistake? Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the short I have now, I have shorted 6 times. So there is a lot of indecision maybe on that tape around that 88.50. Because if you see, there is a 88.24 that have 41 lot. 80, yeah, it's gonna go there soon apparently. So let's see, 50. What is gonna happen at the 50? That's a good question. 50 is very heavy now, okay, and it print 1 cent or 2 above. So you print 4 cents above. So let's see. Seems to be going higher. Okay, more sizes show up at the offer, and they are higher. So there we go, printing higher. Now it's gonna get me out. Yeah, you get me out. So now it's gonna go 89 or 89.20.
Did it help a little bit?
Yeah, it did help a lot.
Oh, nice. So what are the chances that it would go up to 89?
I reshorted right away.
As you said, that it helped a lot.
Yeah, it's just coming back now.
So what are the chances that it's going to go to 89 and 89.20?
Well, those sizes are big, that's a for sure. Okay.
Is there enough continuancy on the tape to go from 89 to 89.20?
From 89 to 89.20.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
I think there is, because we have people buying now. But the SPY is going down, so
Yeah, that's definitely in its favor. But when we're looking at as well,
I just retook and I add again at the top in there. How can I illustrate that? I was going to do it with INTC. Like I don't know if you look back at the INTC line that we were drawing the other day,
mm-hmm.
but trying to look, let's see, probably the most green stock, like look 88, 90. Very nasty shit. So like it's going higher. Yeah, it's good. Let's see, like I mean, I'll be back to you. So like the INTC line that we were drawing, like I mean, the other day,
Mm-hmm.
and like it just kept like then it tumbled down, like all the way down.
Where?
That I would have to look
Oh,
back.
okay.
It was
No,
like
no,
2 days
no.
ago.
No, please.
Okay, I have the sample I want to show you. What difference is between this chart and that chart?
That's trending up.
And this one? This
Up.
is 930.
Sideways.
Okay, and how would you describe this way up?
Strong.
How much selling do you see in there?
Not much.
Eh?
Not much.
Not much, exactly. And in here, like first, this is only the first 20 minutes of trading, and then we are popping higher for sure.
Mm-hmm.
But what do we have on it everywhere?
Wicks and sellers.
Mm-hmm. They lost the battle for now, for sure. Like, I don't think you want like. And are we trading the best name that we can trade? No, I don't think so. But, like,
Pull up NVIDIA.
yeah, I checked 3 and look at the same thing. Very nice, clean, but those are only 3 candles compared to the others. It's the same time frame, and then so it's unfortunately like now we are 89 PLTR, and you just keep going higher. It's, very crazy thing. Did you took the long? No,
At 89.
you took the short. Cut me out. Híjole.
And it printed 89.20.
Yeah.
And what is SPY doing?
Nothing.
Look again.
This is my last shot. I'm offering a price. If I'm lucky, I'm gonna get it. It's not. It's okay. I jump in. Very tough 2 days for me. It's, probably 3. It's gonna print 89.50, I think.
And what were the chances that it was going to get to 89.20? Not good, right? Another market. That's something that you told me once. That was very, very smart. Mother Market is going to do whatever Mother Market is going to do. And whatever we think means diddly squat. And I remember when you told me that, is but no. Are you crazy? That makes no sense what you're telling me. What did you retake it at?
89.20. Hijo de tu mamá.
What's SPY doing?
Still going down little by little.
What time frame are you looking at?
1 minute.
Do you see anything past 90?
No, I see the 800 lot at 90, but I don't see anything after. And yeah, Tesla is tumbling now. You know, I love it. I mean, I understand it's a tough day. I'm feeling it too in my P&L and everywhere. But hey, like, let me guess, 90% of your losses are on PLTR.
Yeah. I think even more than that, yeah.
Yeah, the same here. So. It's okay.
So do you see the...
Life is amazing. So,
Absolutely.
what
So,
I see is, like, I am zooming out. Like, Tesla got me out twice. If I retook Tesla, it wouldn't get me out again. Why? Because it's no 4% up, you know.
okay.
But PLTR is 4% up, and it's like I remember telling you that this, like, you look for the weaker for you to the weakest for you to.
So what are the chances it's going to get to 90?
It's very high chance, I guess. And
I
let me
think
guess.
you are correct.
And now that I say that it's very high, it won't get there. No, it will get there. It's accelerating a lot right now. A lot. Killing me softly with this song. Killing me.
So SPY is
Yeah.
definitely finding some resistance at
Look at the offer.
569.
There is a bidding at 70 going on PLTR. 74, 74, 72. They flash it out, but they were not there anymore. And
$89.50. Yeah, SPY is definitely an alpha today.
Spy?
I mean, not SPY, I mean PLTR.
It is until it is not. And it did capitulation volume already. Not long ago. I'm talking about maybe 10 minutes ago. Yolo, dale, que tú sabes de eso. Dejarle caer todo el peso.
Oh, it's 30. Should we wrap it up?
Wrap it up. I know, you're right.
It shouldn't take long to wrap up.
So, yeah, let's wrap it up, as Marie just said there. And, yeah, like, yeah, okay, let's begin by me. Like, so,
Oh, I'm listening.
yeah, like Marie basically.
Yeah, so you can do both of us.
So, yeah, I didn't took any long, no long at all. So at the open, I short Nvidia here. It didn't work. Then I shorted again. It didn't work. Shorted again. Didn't work. I believe in the short. I kind of don't care much, but like the reason why I don't care is because I gonna have to see the end of the day for me to know if I am right or not. And if I am right, I'm gonna be green. But if I am wrong, I'm gonna be red for good, because I am already red for good today. And what I'm talking about is that I have a clear speculation about this market, and I am applying that today as on my day trading, which is maybe the wrong thing that I am doing the most. So yeah, so based on that, I know I have been wrong, as I say, up to now, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna see. I just think this is a very sophisticated bull trap, and if I am right, we're gonna be seeing that at the end of the day. SPY is gonna be red. Everything that is so pumped up is gonna be so much down. But unfortunately, for now, I'm red. So 3 shorts in Nvidia didn't work, and all those are short. And if you ask me, hey man, did you took at least one position? Did you took it just with your half, like with your 2 steps? None of them. I went 100% here, 100% there. Add more than what I supposed to be adding, and like yeah, too big in many positions. So for my risk tolerance. So and that was my bad, and I paid the price for it. As I say, like I mean, I don't see why these things are popping up that much. I think it's a bull trap because of whatever. But if anybody have any questions, just feel free to let me know. For example, something I know for sure we did wrong. Marie did it because she was kind of following me maybe on my. But we
Even
are
you, we're a team.
we are shorting the strongest stock out there, pretty much. Like I mean, out of the ones that we were looking at, because Snap is stronger, but Snap, if you wanna go long at some point, the Snap is the one that was looking the most clean. So now it may be a bit late, but we don't know. But what I'm saying here, I took a short on Tesla too, actually. Like that's what I say. I took a short here, got me out. Took another short, got me out. I never touched it again because I was too focused into PLTR, and look where it went. So, and like yeah, it's just a matter of like discipline matter a lot in trading. And today though I'm okay because I rest a lot. I sleep very good. But I misbehave anyways. So as I say, it's okay. I have to repeat my process every day, and I will take the trade I believe on, even if I am wrong, because those trades are the one that I can trade with confidence. So I hope everybody have a good day and trade a little bit better than me today. And
Than
that's
us.
part of the business.
Not me.
I'm
Us.
glad. Yeah, than us. Well, like you didn't do that bad neither. Like I mean, with all those trades, your losses are not even that big for how many trades you took. And what I was going to say, I am learning something very good from this market. And like one of the things I don't have anymore from long ago is that euphoria or that. Like for example, I am very close to be at my max PNL lost. And I don't have that, like, you know what, man, like, it's so horrible, I hate it, or no, it's just the process. So don't feel FOMO, don't feel emotions that are out of the process, because that doesn't help. So when I am hanging up on a trade, I don't even know if I'm gonna be red for sure or not. But yeah, like that peaceful feeling that I have about my process is something that I want to cultivate, and it's something I want to have. To not put much emotions in those trades, like those in the past, like the euphoria of I am missing the trade, I need to go in, or I have such a big loss, I have to recuperate. That was just making it worse. So I hope everybody have a good day. That's gonna be everything for today. As I say, tomorrow I'm not here. I have to take a test, and I have to do a couple things tomorrow. So but Monday we see you here back. So I hope everybody have a good day. Bye.
Bye.